It is a scorcher out here today, and if your window AC is blowing nothing but warm air, you are looking for a replacement yesterday. But before you run out to the big box store and buy the first shiny box you see, let me help you shop like a pro. Around here, everyone just calls me the HVAC Repair Guy. I spent years working as an electrician on nuclear power plants before putting in 17 years out in the field servicing residential and commercial systems. So I look at appliances a little differently than most. I do not care about fancy marketing. I care about amperages, compressor duty cycles, and how a unit is engineered to handle a real heat wave. Today, we are putting two common window units head to head to see which one deserves a spot in your window. The Acekool CW1 and the Midea U-shaped Smart Inverter AC, 8K BTU. Let us start with the physical builds of these machines because how they sit in your window changes everything. The Acekool CW1 uses your standard traditional square chassis design. It sits entirely inside the window frame, meaning your window has to stay closed tight against the top of the unit, completely blocking your view and locking the window in place. The Midea U-shaped Smart Inverter AC uses a radically different U-shaped design. This chassis has a literal slot built into the middle of the frame, allowing you to drop your window down into the unit itself. This keeps the noisy compressor outside your home, keeps the window functional, and prevents a thief from easily pushing the unit in to gain access. From an electrical and mechanical standpoint, the technology inside these two boxes represents two completely different eras of HVAC engineering. The Acekool is a standard single-stage machine. When it calls for cooling, the compressor pulls a massive spike of starting current, thumps to life, runs at 100% speed until the thermostat is satisfied, and then shuts off. That constant hard starting cycles your breaker panels, wastes power, and creates temperature swings. The Midea features an inverter compressor. Inverter tech takes incoming AC power, converts it to DC, and modulates the speed of the compressor precisely to match the cooling load. It runs continuously at low, ultra-efficient speeds, completely eliminating high amperage hard starts. That is why the Acekool has a standard energy efficiency ratio of 11, while the Midea pushes an incredible EER of 15. Over a long summer, that inverter technology will drastically lower your electric bill. When you look at current market pricing, the Acekool CW1 rolls in at an average retail price of around $240, while the Midea U-shaped Smart Inverter AC commands a premium at about $379. User reliability ratings reflect this price gap, with the Acekool sitting at a modest 3.8 stars due to mixed long-term reliability reports, while the Midea holds a strong 4.5-star average from thousands of homeowners. Both of these systems offer modern smart utilities, including built-in Wi-Fi and voice control compatibility, but the Midea pulls ahead on comfort features by including auto-swinging louvers to actively distribute airflow around the room rather than blowing it in a single stagnant direction. Before we look at the warranties, let me give you a crucial field tip to keep either of these units running for years. Half of the compressor failures I see in the field are caused by restricted airflow. Clean your mesh air filter every single 2 weeks during the summer. If that filter plugs up with dust and your indoor coil freezes into a block of ice, also ensure the unit is pitched slightly towards the outside of the house so the condensate water can drain properly out the back. If things do go wrong, you want a manufacturer that stands behind their equipment. Acekool gives you a standard 1-year warranty on the entire unit, but offers absolutely no extended coverage for the heart of the system, leaving the compressor at just a single year of protection. Midea offers a matching 1-year warranty on the full unit, but they back their inverter technology with a full 5-year warranty on the compressor itself. The verdict here is completely clear. While the Acekool saves you money up front, the Midea U-shaped Smart Inverter AC is the superior machine in every single category. Its U-shaped installation design is safer and quieter. Its inverter compressor is vastly superior to single-stage technology. It has a much higher efficiency rating, and it carries better consumer sentiment and extended warranty terms. Invest the extra cash up front for the Midea, save money on your power bill every month, and shop like a pro.